The Lord is well pleased for his righteousness' sake. He will magnify the law and make it honorable. This is a people robbed and spoiled. They are all of them snared in holes. They are hid in prison houses. They are for prey, and none delivers. For a spoil, and none says restore. Who among you will give ear to this? Who will hearken and hear for the time to come? Who gave Jacob for a spoil, Israel to the robbers? Did not the Lord, he against whom we have sinned? For they would not walk in his ways, neither were they obedient to his law.